Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to register for Regions Bank online banking. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for Regions Bank, then click on the above link. Then as you can see, this is their official website. Then we're going to click on open an account. Then we're going to select the type of account we need. We're going to click on savings since that's the one we want. Then they're going to offer you different type of saving accounts. You guys choose their options and click on the one you want. So when you decide, you're going to click on open now. Then you're going to need email address, social security number, as well as personal identification number. Then you're going to click on new customer since you're a new one. Then you're going to insert your contact information, your name as well as your email address, as well as your phone number. Then once you're done, you're going to click on next. Then again, you're going to insert your personal information, your social security number, and all the above. Then once you're done, your business status, if you're a student or not. Then once you're done, you're going to click on next. Then they're going to open an account for you. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.